Hello, my beautiful friends out there. It is very cold up here where I live in Northern Ontario. And if you're wondering, what does she mean by Northern Ontario? I mean 6 hours north of Toronto in a beautiful place called Temiskaming Shores. Now we have a long cold winter. And I don't know about you, but I get kind of tired of wearing the same old coats all the time, every day, having to dress up in layers. And I like to bring more fun into my look. So I'm going to share with you today several ways to wear a scarf to perk up your winter outfit. Also, something else I've noticed is that we tend to wear a lot of black. Black in our coats or our jackets, black hats, black gloves, black. And while black can look classy, it also tends to pull our energy down, and it can make you look more severe and older. Even adding shadows to under the neck, and highlight our neck that we may not want to be highlighting so much. Hi, I'm Karen, creator of the Silver Sage, and today I'm going to share some tips on how to wear a scarf with your winter coat, and another why to wear a scarf with your winter coat. It actually helps to save the collar of your coat from getting dirty. And especially if you wear makeup, the scarf keeps your coat away from your skin. It's much easier to hand wash a scarf than it is to dry clean a coat. So first, I'm going to start by showing you this fun scarf. It's quite wide, it has beautiful color in it, and it just makes my eyes sparkle when I put it on. And that's what we want. Instead of having a dark black color up near my face, which can actually sort of drag my energy down and my look, it's much better to bring a color in that enhances my skin undertone. Now, as a little aside, for those of you who may remember having your colors done, as we call it, are you a warm or cool? That's the main thing. And I'm definitely a cool skin undertone. So I like wearing anything that has silver or soft blues, a blue, red, pinks in it. However, if you have a warm undertone, you might really enjoy wearing gold, greens, browns, and a peach color, perhaps. Those will all make you feel really good when you wear them. And that's the trick. If you can look in that mirror and smile and feel good, then you know you're probably wearing a color that's perfect for you. So let's get back to this scarf. It is quite wide, so I am scrunching it together. And I'm going to make sure one end is a little shorter than the other. So I'm just going to put it around my neck. You can see how short it is here. And then I'm wrapping the scarf around. Now I'm tucking it inside my collar because I want to make sure that I'm keeping my coat clean as well. And my scarf is up close to my body, so it keeps me warm. And then I'm going to just do a little tuck around, bring this through so that it stays in place. And there. So what a difference the colorful scarf makes with my coat. Something else I like to do is to, if possible, add a glove that complements my scarf. Now this one's very light. I would just wear it for when I'm going out shopping for groceries or whatever, maybe meeting a friend for lunch. It's definitely not a glove I would be wanting to wear if I'm going for a walk outside. But it's so nice just to bring the eye up, get a glimpse of the glove, and then continue up to my face. So that's look number one, and one way to tie a scarf to go with your coat. Another scarf that I love to have is this silver one. Now it has some sparkle in it, which I really like because it picks up my hair color. And it's not as heavy, it's a crinkle scarf. Makes it easy to fit inside my coat as well. So I am just folding my scarf in half, then putting it around my neck, creating a loop right here. And then I bring the both ends of the scarf through the loop. Just adjust it. And there we have it. Easy peasy. But you can see it gives a totally different look to my coat. And now, tip number 3 for tying a scarf, to add some punch to your coat. It wouldn't be me if I didn't wear red. And this is just a simple way to put a scarf on because this is heavy. It's a heavy scarf and it's very wide. I can also wear it as a pashmina if I want to, especially if I'm going out somewhere, let's say a restaurant, and I get cold, I can still wrap this around my shoulders after. So I, once again, am keeping one side longer than the other. I'm just going to let this come down in the front and wrap my scarf around, just like this. So once again, just see what that punch of color does. It brings energy into my outfit and it brings energy to me as well. We can still look vibrant and stylish in the winter and be warm and practical as well. To add a little extra for this scarf, I have a fun pair of buffalo plaid gloves to go with it. And they are lined and a little bit warmer. So there you have 3 different ways to wear a scarf with your winter coat, keeping yourself warm and protecting the collar of your coat at the same time. I would love it if you would comment below what favorite colors of scarves do you like to wear. And if you found some value from this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to being with you next time. So for now, stay warm, stay fabulous. Hello, here I am back with your bonus tip on how to tie a scarf. The 3 ways I showed you at the beginning of the video were pretty basic. And I just thought this 4th way is kind of fun. It's something fun to try. You can definitely wear it inside your coat or over a sweater. So I have a long rectangular scarf and I've just folded it up and I'm dividing it in half, as you can see. Then I'm going to tie a very loose knot right in the middle. There. And when you make that knot, just sort of flatten it out a little bit as best you can, like this. Now I'm going to put this knot right at the front and bring the ends of my scarf around. And now see, I can put my hand right through that knot because it's a loose loop. Take one end of the scarf and pull it through that little opening. Take the other end and put it through, pulling it right through on top of that opening. And there, look at that. You have it. A neat, tidy bow that you've made. And as I said, it looks great inside a winter coat, and it's wonderful to help keep your neck warm. And it looks good on top of a sweater as well. So if you've enjoyed this, please remember to like and to subscribe, I should say, to my channel, and share this with one of your friends because she might want to have some fun trying something new as well. I'll see you next time, and leave me a comment to let me know if you have tried any of these scarf tying techniques.